What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the first video on this channel, and today we're going to be doing a little Dope Snow unboxing video, getting ready for the snowboard season. I'm not sponsored, but I got a jacket from Dope Snow this year, and we're going to unbox it, so let's get into it. Nothing happened. There we go. Oh, wait, so that's a tear right here. That's cool. Okay, there we go. Yep, there you go. Alright, oh, what did they? Yo, they gave me a full sheet of stickers. Shout out Dope Snow. Alright, here's the jacket. We got moss green. We got the blizzard jacket. Where did it say it? Yep, size medium. Blizzard PO jacket, men. Alright, so slide this off right here. I did get the insulated. I got the insulated, not the shell. Let's see what it's looking like. Right, here we go. Here is the jacket. Here's what it's looking like. That is going to go so good with my snow pants. It feels super cozy. Lightweight. Insulated. I like this pocket right here. That's going to be useful. Yeah, here's the jacket. Alright, we're going to try it on. So let's go. Alright guys, just put on the jacket, and here's how it looks. Super comfy. Looks good. I can move in it, which is the big thing for me. And yeah, that's that. I love this jacket a lot, and I'm excited to wear it on the slopes, guys. So, if you guys made it through this far in the video, make sure you smash that subscribe. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and you know, follow for more videos. See you in the next one. Peace out.